Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can reduce your computer's animation. For those who didn't know, when your computer's animations are reduced, your computer become fast. So to do that, simply start by opening any folder, right-click this PC, then go to Properties, and after getting this results, then go to the Advanced System Settings. Then after getting this results, click on Settings. Then as you can see, you have been given a choice to disable some animations you would like, so simply choose on Best Performance, then all your animations will be disabled. And as you can see, everything has no animations, it's simply working straight, for example the fonts and the start, and the folder. So thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe.